Hi, this is John with Bang Bang Leads, and I want to introduce you and give you a brief overview of our new Bang Bang Lead Center. This is an instant purchase site that allows you to search final expense leads by county and instantly download them, export them to CSV or PDF, or you could simply manage them here in your account. You do not need to set up an account in order to check out the heat map. Over here on the left-hand side, after you go to bangbangleadcenter.com, you can click on Lead Map, pull up a map here of the United States. And you can see all inside each state are the smaller counties. So if I would click here, for instance, around the Fort Worth area, change down here that I'm in Texas, Dallas County. It's showing me that there are 50 Spanish final expense leads and about 1,800 regular final expense leads. Spanish final expense, we target people who identify as Hispanic, not just speak Spanish, but identify as Hispanic. And final expense are primarily people who speak English. All these leads are made by us. They're made on our websites and through our marketing platforms. The leads that are on this map are leads that have never been given to an agent and they've never been contacted. They're unmatched leads, extra leads, etc. We've got more information on the site as well if you are looking for more information about the leads and things. But these are the same leads that you would buy on bangbangleads.com. So go ahead and create an account. I'm going to click sign in. Now, you would click the blue button here, have you enter your email, send you a test email to verify that the email is entered correctly and that we got it. We don't want to send your leads to the wrong person. So once you click here, you create your account, you enter your email, send you a confirmation email, log into your email, check it, confirm it, and then come back here and sign in. Now reload the site, have your name up here on the top right. So you could go back to an area, like here, I'm close to Evansville, Indiana. So I'm going to click it. It's pulling up Vanderburgh, maybe, Indiana. No final expense Spanish leads, but there is 188 regular final expense leads. So I could click in here and simply type how many I wanted, and I would add them to my cart. And I click this X here, and I go up to my shopping cart, and I see that I have 100 final expense leads loaded in here for Vanderburgh County. I guess I was messing with something earlier. There's also 100 of them in Jefferson County. Now, and it shows you here, I'll back up, every 15 minutes reset. So if you put leads in your cart, they're yours for about 15 minutes. So it gives you time to keep shopping if you want to look at other counties, especially if you're doing like virtual sales. It doesn't really matter for counties. So you can go back out and get more leads if you needed more. As soon as you hit checkout, go ahead and charge you. I've already got my card set up in here, so I'm not going to click this button, but the first time it prompts you to add a payment method, it'll save that payment method. So if you come back into your account and you want to purchase more leads, all you have to do is put them in your cart and check out. Now over here on the left, you click on my leads, and this is what you'll see. You could click on them individually. It's showing you a PDF of what would print off. But if you click on it individually, you're going to see the email, whatever data was available for that specific lead. Some may have date of birth and additional info. This one has name, address, city, state, street, city, state, zip, phone, and email. So you can do that for each one. This one, these are all Spanish. So this one's final expense. Yep. So that's the information you would get. Or you could click lead info, give you a pin of where it's at. You can call it right out of here if you wanted to. You can also just download them by clicking export. You can export them to CSV, or you can export them to PDFs. Any questions, reach out. Be happy to help. We load leads in here usually on a daily basis. So if you don't see what you're looking for, check back regularly. If you need leads in a specific area and you don't see them, reach out to us. A lot of times we can go ahead and source them early and get them in there for you.